To get a new debit card, you will need to order a replacement for your existing card. This process is typically straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. First, contact your bank's customer service department to report your debit card as lost, stolen, or damaged. You can usually find the phone number on the back of your card or on the bank's website. When you call, be prepared to provide your name, account number, and a brief explanation of why you need a new card. Next, your bank will likely ask you to confirm your identity and account details to ensure that you are the authorized account holder. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized individuals from ordering a new card. Once your identity has been verified, your bank will guide you through the process of ordering a replacement debit card. You may be able to do this over the phone, or you may need to visit a local branch in person. If you are able to order the card over the phone, the bank will typically mail the new card to your address on file. It is essential to review your account information and confirm that your address is up to date before the new card is mailed. This will ensure that your new debit card is sent to the correct location. After ordering the replacement debit card, it is crucial to keep an eye on your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. You should also receive a new personal identification number or PIN with your replacement card, which you will need to activate before using the card. In most cases, a replacement debit card will be mailed to you within 7 to 10 business days. However, some banks may offer expedited shipping options for an additional fee. When you receive your new debit card, be sure to sign the back of the card and store it in a safe and secure location. Finally, once you have received and activated your new debit card, be sure to update any automatic payments or subscriptions that were linked to your old card to avoid any disruptions to your services. By following these steps, you can easily order a replacement for your debit card and get back to using your account without any issues.